Hello, everyone. Hello, this is Joanna of Joanna B Marketing. I know what you're thinking. What is that she's showing? No worries, you will know in due time. And Julia, by the way, is a wonderful, beautiful jewelry store that I am an affiliate of. Just thought I'd mention that since it just happened to be the commercial that's on this 53-second video. Do you know what I'm doing? Nope. I'm not just looking at cooking videos, cooking shows, so I can make some delightful treat. What I am doing is, let's see if I can show it, is I am making money. I am making money by accruing points. Look at that, another ad that I'm also an affiliate marketer of. So, in fact, I'll put my online store underneath this video. Okay, so right now I have 87.5 points. All from having these videos just going and going and going for the past, I don't know, definitely over 30 minutes. About an hour. I've just had them going. Wasn't watching them. Was doing other things. Was making money while I'm doing it. So let me show you. Let me share this with you. And then this is something we can do together. Okay, so I'm going to just put it on pause for a moment. Here's what you're going to do. This is a global opportunity to earn money. Earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. You could even download apps. You can go to different sites that they ask of you. When you sign up, you will get $1 sign-up bonus. I'm already signed up, so I'm logging in. And you're going to go to this website. I will put the link in the description under the video. You'll go through all of this on your own, but what I'm doing are the videos. So, and there's games. You could play games too. So click videos. And you'll have some videos here that you can watch. Okay. Also, I'm going to go back because I want to show you something. And you'll get paid by through PayPal, Bitcoin, and there's something else. I forgot what else. I'm sorry. It'll come to me. And Lootably. Did you see that? Sorry, Lootably. I also want you to click on Lootably. Lootably. And that's where you see I have the videos. So Lootably has surveys, apps, videos. Okay, one click. That's something else I did. Very interesting. So if you click on videos, right here is where you'll click, and that's when these videos will come up. And it looks like only two kinds. Do-it-yourself videos and cooking shows, cooking videos. And literally, you can just let it run and it's adding up. It's adding up. Okay. So I just want to show this to you. So as that's adding up, I'll stop it for now because I want to show something to you. Remember the 87.5 points? Okay, so what you're going to do is click that and redeem your points. And I have my GG2U link, GG2 you website that's already linked. Now, the reason it's linked is because the Lootably, this is called Loot TV when it switches over to the videos. There's no, payments or anything you get from them. You get it from the other site. So you're just watching the videos here. I'm going to now redeem my, let me show you first. Hold on. Let me show you everything. I'm trying to show you everything. Right now I'm at $1.13 and cash out is at $7. So $1.13. Okay, now let's go back here. Let's redeem my points. Redeem points. Select. Yeah, and it looks like 80. So it looks like it's increments. It looks like probably increments of 10 from what I've been noticing. Select the link that's the linked account. So that's how many coins I'll get. Redeem. And remember I had $1.13 before. And then you can click start watching to start watching your videos again. So I had $1.13. Okay. And let's click this little refresh button. And now I have $1.18. So you see it redeemed. Now, when you're on this site and you watch a video, it immediately gives you your reward points immediately. So let me just go through this one more time. And then in another video, I'll show you something else with this. You'll go to the website, you'll sign up. I'll put the link in the description. You'll sign up, you'll get your $1 bonus. It's free, it's global, easy, fun. You'll sign up there. You'll go down. And of course, you can try the other ones. I haven't tried everything. I'm just showing the videos because I didn't mind doing the videos. Lootably. Then you clicked on videos. And then that's where you watch your videos. This I'll show you as well in the next video. Okay, so happy earning. And let's go on this journey together. This is going to be pretty exciting. I was happy to find this opportunity. In fact, I found it from another marketer here on YouTube. Looked into this, of course. And he showed his payment proof and everything anyway. I looked into him, so he was good. And I looked into this opportunity. So both were on the up and up. So like I said, I saw his payment proof. I don't have payment proof yet, but like I said, let's go on this journey together and we'll see. So right now I'm at $1 and change and I cash out at $7. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is Joanna B of Joanna B Marketing, and I will come back with another video on how to earn money from this great website. Thank you for watching. The link is in the description.